Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix the Claude app black screen problem. So if you open the Claude app and only see a black screen or it does not load properly, just follow these simple fixes. Firstly, you need to check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and working properly. If it's weak, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and try again. Next, completely close the Claude app and reopen it. Swipe from the bottom of your screen and remove the app from the recent apps. Then open it again and see if the screen loads properly. You should also check if the app needs an update. For that, you need to go to the App Store, search for Claude and tap on update if it's available. After that, you can try reinstalling the app. For that, you need to press and hold the Claude app icon and tap on the remove app and then delete the app from your iPhone. Then try installing it again from the App Store. If these steps still doesn't work, you can also try restarting your iPhone. For that, you need to press and hold the power button and the volume button together until the power slider comes. Wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on again. If the issue still continues, make sure your iPhone software is up to date. And lastly, the problem could be from Claude's server. If the servers are down or under maintenance, the app may show a black screen for some time. So those were some easy ways to fix Claude app black screen problem. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.